In this video, I will show you how to install WordPress in cPanel using Softaculous. So first of all, you need to log into your cPanel. Now you will see a screen something like this, or maybe a little bit more modern. Okay. Now you can use the search bar at the top in order to find the Softaculous app. Now I have the Softaculous app at the top only, and it will list all the apps that are inside the Softaculous, one of them being WordPress. Now there are few steps that you need to think before you are using the Softaculous. First of all, if your domain is not primary domain, then you need to add that domain as a add-on domain inside the cPanel. Now if you don't add it as a add-on domain inside the cPanel, then you won't get the domain while the WordPress installation, and that will create a problem. So if it is not the primary domain, then use the search bar again and search for add-on domain. Okay, now scroll down and you will see something add-on domain here. Now you need to go there. Now type in your domain name. So I have a domain name in which I want to electricchainsaw-review.com. Okay, simply keep pressing on tab once you type it here. Now click on add domain here. You can also click on create an FTP, however I don't want to. Now I am going to click on add domain. Now you can see add-on domain has been created. Because it's not my primary domain, it's not the primary domain of my web hosting. Okay, so once you do this, then you can use the Softaculous app. You can click on the WordPress icon that you see right here inside the Softaculous app. Okay, so you'll reach here on this screen in the WordPress script. Now you'll see a install option. You need to click on that one, click on install. Now it is asking for the installation URL, http or http www. If you have a SSL certificate, then you can use the HTTPS option. Okay, now you need to choose the domain name. So I have to choose the domain name here. Let me see where it is, electricchainsaw-review.com. So if it is not there in the add-on domain, then it will not show up in this list. That's why it is very necessary to add the domain in the add-on domain directory. Okay, so once you are here, okay, then you can enter your site name, best electric chainsaws, something like that. Okay, you need to enter the admin username and password here. You can use the admin email here, give a site description, something like that. Okay, then you can choose the language here. You can choose some plugins here, limit login attempts, classic editor and all that. You can choose a theme. Then after doing all these things, you can enter email ID here. Okay, so that it will email you all the details. Then you need to click on install here, and it will take just a few seconds in order to install the WordPress. Propagating the database here. It will take few seconds here, and you will see congratulations, the software was installed successfully. Okay, one step I forgot in the middle. If it is not your primary domain, then you also need to make sure that the name server of your web hosting matches the name server of the domain name. Okay, so if you go to your domain name settings, then you'll get something like name servers here. Okay, you need to click on that one, and these name servers 1 and 2 should be the name servers of your web hosting. Okay, so if I go here and I will click on list by search orders, and I scroll down, if I go to my multi-domain Linux hosting here, then if you'll go to your hosting, whether it is shared or multi-domain or any other web hosting, then you will get something name server details here. Okay, name server details inside your hosting. You need to click on that one, then you will get the hosting here. Okay, hosting name servers. Then you can simply copy it from here, copy, and then you need to go and paste it in the domain name settings, name servers. So these are the two important steps before installing the WordPress in cPanel through Softaculous. First one is the add the domain as an add-on domain, and the second one, please match the name servers according to the web hosting name servers if it is not your primary domain. So thank you for watching the video. Please like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.